Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, it's raining outside. I was gonna go golfing with my dad today, but it started to rain. I'm kind of sad about it, but that's okay. Um, my mom got a 6-pack of Coca-Cola and then a 6-pack of root beer, and so I've just been indulging myself just for a little bit. I think I'm allowed to have some fun every once in a while. I ordered some new vinyls that are gonna be coming soon. I got a Prince album. I got Purple Rain, which I really like. Yeah. I'm gonna go probably out in the rain for a bit. Just enjoy that. It's going really hard out there. It didn't have it in the forecast. I was surprised. Because we had all of our bags, in the car this morning. Like, we put them in last night, and we were gonna leave. But it's just downpouring. Crazy how the world works sometimes. Yeah. Just thought I'd check in with you guys. Leave a thumbs up. I think. You can follow if you want to. Okay. Bye now.